Hello, my name is Manuel Perez. In this video, I'm going to pronounce different words and sentences according to the different vowel sounds in English. I'm going to start with the page 4, Unit 1. Ago, effect, explain, occur, upon, soda, open, denim, metal, syrup, captain, pigeon, partial, station, cupboard, occasionally, garages, poisoned, panorama, universal. Another example: prism, socialism, nationalism. Next is doesn't, isn't, hasn't, wasn't, haven't, didn't, hadn't, shouldn't, wouldn't, couldn't. Another example: able, capable, suitable. A book, a cat, a dog, an apple, an orange, an ice cube. The book, the cat, the dog, the universe. Okay. Earn, fur, purse, surf, nerve, earn, herd, yarn, bird, girl, first, work, worm, tournament, syrup. Practice for mastering in the same unit, in the same page. Sorry, the page 6. I heard her journey was worth the worry. The sugar was the color of her. The early bird gets the worm. Okay. Now the unit 2, page 7. The sound E. If, in, big, miss, beard, gym, symbol, pretty, English, sieve, busy, women. Okay, page 8. Now we have some sentence with examples. Jim is in the picture. Mrs. Smith is 10. Bring chicken for dinner. Listen to this ridiculous list. The pretty women are busy in the gym. Okay, now we're going to move to the unit 3. The sound U. Okay, here we have the example for the sound U. Put, push, look, book, could, would, woman, wolf. Another example with sentence. Look in the cookbook for a good pudding. He whirled if he could. It should be good work. The woman took a good look at the wolf. Now I'm going to move to the unit 4. The sound E. This sound is a little more longer. To make this sound, our lips, our lips have 3/8 inch apart. Let's pronounce it. B, he, we, thee, she, sweet, merry, happy, key, honey, cheap, fair, people, amoeba, eater, receive, niece, ski, police, sweet, chassis, debris, chamius. Okay, page in the page 11 we have another example. The apple, the elephant, the ice, the orange, the onion, the ocean, the umpire. Another example: tricky, soapy, edgy, chilly, sticky, sharky, heavy, easy. Another example: nicely, plainly, quickly, sweetie, slowly, clearly. Okay, we have another word in the page. Yes, in the page 13. Practice for mastery. Jenny, do you see the bee? Please freeze the peas. Neither he nor she believe me. We can easily read the agreement. Contrasting sound practice. Bid, bed, set, sit, rip, rip, lip, lip, live, live, dead, did, hurl, heal, melt, mill, pearl, pill, lick, lick, rich, rich, pick, pick, dim, 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 dip, deep, send, sin, fest, feast, says, sis, has, his, shep, sheep, chep, cheap. Now we have some sentence as an example. Sick sheep were sick on the ship. Jim eat cheap chips. He left me this measly little meal. She's as thin as he is. Please peel the beets and strain the beans. Okay, and now we are going to move to the unit 5, the sound U. Okay, we have some example for the sound U. U, do, lose, who, to, lose, choose, food, flew, road, due, blue, Tuesday, flew, new, throughout, soup, juice, liu. Okay, now we have some sentence to finish this unit. Sue knew the throw. Choose blue for the new room. It blooms soon in June. The new is too gloomy. Okay, now we have some contrasting sound for practice. 4. Stood, wood, hood, full, steep, wood, pull, cookie, knock, pull, cookie, knock. Okay, that is everything. Thank you for listening my video. See you in another. Bye bye.